Hi friends, it's Solo's Creative Corner, and today I'm going to show you how to make some fake silly string. Kind of looks like that. This is the first one I made, so I didn't add color to it. It's best that you use, make your speckle with the color in it first, and then go ahead and do it, because once you make it, it'll be hard to paint over it, because these little strings are very fragile. So I made up some blue, and I just used some pastel chalk, or you can use some pen pastels, or even some mica powder to color your spackle. And usually when I have extra spackle, I don't like to waste it, so I put it in this little plastic wrap. And then what I do is I put some holes in there, and then I spread it around, and once it dries, it's very easy to pick up, and then I can use it in another project. That's what I wanted to share with you today. So hold on, I'll put this on a tripod and we'll get started. And thanks for watching. And if you would like to watch more videos like this, like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want. This is my next project I'm working on. I'm making these little trees to go with this bear house. So that's this formula here of spackle and some micro beads. I colored it with some chalk pastel. And so I'm going to make another video where I put it in a piping bag and try to make some more trees. Okay, if you're still here, I'll be right back. Besides adding a little chalk for color to the spackle, you need to add a little medium so it's a little runny. So now we'll go ahead and poke some holes. You don't want to poke them too close, and see if we can make some fake silly string. Maybe one more. And here we go. If you put the pokes too close together, the punctures, then you'll just get a big old glob, because as you're pressing, you're opening up the holes even more. And if they're too close together, believe me, that's what's going to happen. Okay, so that's all of that. We'll let that dry, and then I'll share with you what it looks like. Have yourself a great day, and thanks for watching. Solo's Creative Corner, signing off for now.